Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create a quick command remote to translate text from English to Spanish. Quick command remotes are commands that can be executed via API and generate payloads for external services on the internet. Shall we get started? First, access the StackSpot AI Portal and log in with your credentials. After logging in the menu on the right, click on Quick Command and select the Remote option. For the name, let's put Translate English to Spanish. For the command, we'll use Translate Text. And in the description, translate text from English to Spanish. Click on Next and let's select Create Blank to create a blank quick command. Now choose the prompt option. For the prompt name, we'll use Translate NS. In the prompt field, let's write translate the following text from English to Spanish, and we'll select Input Data. You can also create and select a relevant knowledge source for language translation. Now, click on Finish to fill in the final details of the quick command. When using the quick command, click on the option Translate NS, answer, click on Finish. Now to execute this remote quick command, we'll need to generate an access token and have Postman installed. In the Access Token section, click on the Generate Client Key button. A new tab will open. Click on Generate Tokens and copy the provided curl example. You'll need it to authenticate your API requests. To execute the quick command, we'll make a GET request to the StackSpot API endpoint. Open Postman, click on Import, and paste the curl example you copied earlier. A new tab will open with the post URL. Click on Send and copy the token from the response. In the Header section, in a new tab, add the authorization key and the value of your bearer token. In Post tab, click Send Copy. Add the Create Execution URL from StackSpot. Add the request body, which in this case is a prompt to translate into Spanish. The request returns a value. We'll need to copy it and save it. Open another tab in Postman. Let's copy the callback from the StackSpot site and paste it. Now, replace the execution ID in the URL with the value returned from the post request. We also can't forget to set up the authorization for the tab we just opened. After that, just send it. It's important to check if the processing was successfully completed by verifying if the execution percentage field is equal to 1.0, 100%, and the status is completed. The response will be the text translated into Spanish for the input we added. We'll find the quick command result in the result field. You can maintain the same conversation across multiple executions by sending a query parameter of the conversation ID with the same ULID for all executions. And that's it. Now you know how to create and execute a remote quick command on StackSpot. Thank you for watching and see you next time.